This video we are going to cover about head command. Okay, so head command is nothing but a simple command that we basically use to get the starting content of a particular txt file. Okay, so when we will demonstrate, and then you can easily get. Okay, so let me open up the terminal. I hope it is visible to you. Okay, I first create one directory with head. Okay, and I'll create two files. Touch. Now I will create with cat command, cat states.txt. Okay, and already I have entered the whatever the states. Okay, I will just copy it here and I will paste it there. Okay, enter, Control D to save, and I will again create another command, that is a capital.txt. Okay, let me like this, and again I will copy from this. Okay, Control D. Okay, so we have created two files. You can check with ls command. If I will try to read the first, here you can see, and if I try to read second file, that is capital, here you can see. Okay, so now we will use the head command. Okay, so what I just said you, like, what is a head command? Head command is nothing but which we use to print the starting content of a file. So how we can get it? So simply the command is head, and just provide the file name, whatever it is, states.txt, let's suppose. Okay, I print, I will hit enter, and here you can see the first 10 lines you will get. So by default what happens when you use the head command, you get the first 10 lines of a txt file. So you can count here also, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, so this is the one of the feature of the head command. Okay, so if you want to, like, suppose you want to print only first 2 lines. Okay, for this what you can do, you have to nothing, just provide the hyphen n option, or you can do it head hyphen n 2 and states.txt. so here you can see we have only just got the only first 2 lines. If you want to print first 5 lines, then also you can do it like from 5. Okay, so, and what if you want to get the content of 2 files simultaneously? How you can do it? So it's also a simple command of it is like head states.txt, and what was another one, capital.txt. Hit enter. So here you can see the first 10 contents of both the files. Okay, so now what if you want to print only first 5 line of both the files? So here you can see 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 2 5. Okay, so here we are getting 5 lines, and here also we are getting 5 lines. So with the help of hyphen n option, we can easily get whatever number of lines which you want to like display in the on this terminal. Okay, and also there is another option, that is a hyphen C option. What it does, so hyphen C option is nothing but like which we use to get the like content of a particular size. Okay, suppose if you want to print the content of only first like 30 bits or 10 bits, so then for this we can use the hyphen C option. Okay, so let's use it. Hyphen C, I will provide for states.txt. so here you can see ANDH. Why this? Because this is only 4 bytes. Okay, first 4 bytes it will provide us. And what if I want to hit 12? So here you can see it is just me providing me the 12 bytes. Okay, this is 3 3 6 7, and again this is 5, 7 plus 5, that is the 12 bytes. Okay, so in this way you can use the hyphen C option, and also you can use, I think, together also for capital. Let me use, and here you can see in states.txt you are getting this, and in Hyderabad you are getting this. Okay, so and also there is one more option is remaining in this like hyphen V option. What it does, it basically just provide you the verbose information, and hyphen V stands for verbose. which basically shows you the information about execution of command like that. Let me use it for states. So here you can see stress.txt. Like if we not use -v option, then let's see what happens. Nothing. Okay. So that's all guys for this particular video. So I hope you liked it, and we will meet in the next video. Okay. So thank you for watching.